Hi there, my name is Elizabeth, coming to you from the UNT Dallas Learning Commons. Today, I'm going to share with you an overview on what critical thinking is and why it's important to be able to think critically as a student and in life. Critical thinking is an intentional thinking process that includes asking questions, analyzing facts objectively, and seeing multiple perspectives in order to form an independent judgment and make better decisions. Why is critical thinking important? Critical thinking helps you to become a better learner because you're thinking and learning at deeper levels and engaging with information more actively. This allows you to go beyond simply remembering, understanding, and restating information to more advanced levels of thinking and asking questions, like making real-world applications, analyzing the how and why of a situation, evaluating different viewpoints, and developing your own independent thoughts and opinions based on your analysis of the information. This can help you with problem solving and making the best decisions. Critical thinking is important in school, in the workplace, and in life. Here are a few examples of situations that would benefit from critical thinking. As a student, you will write research papers that require critical thinking in many ways. One way that you use critical thinking is by evaluating the different sources you use in your paper. Is the source scholarly and reliable, or is the source from a biased news website? Is the source still relevant for today, or is it outdated? What is the context of the research presented in the source, and does that context transfer over to the research you are doing? Questions like these can help you evaluate a source to determine if and how you can use it in your paper. Critical thinking is also relevant in the workplace. Imagine that you work as a business owner or a store manager and you oversee the budget and purchasing for your store. In order to make the best use of your budget, you'll need to analyze which materials and the quantity that should be purchased. You'll probably ask questions like, which items do customers purchase the most, and which items are you likely to run out of? You might also consider things like seasonal consumer trends or new trends in the industry. You would analyze all the information to try to make the best decision about what and how much to buy. Regardless of the type of job you have, you will need to engage in critical thinking at times to formulate opinions and make good decisions. Critical thinking also helps you in general life decisions, like in analyzing and evaluating political viewpoints and candidates, deciding on the best used car to buy, or even making a grocery list and planning your meals for the week. Here are a few tips for developing your critical thinking skills. First of all, ask lots of analysis questions. Questions like how and why. Secondly, consider how a situation can be applied in other contexts. Thirdly, look at multiple perspectives to better understand and evaluate viewpoints. I will elaborate on each of these tips in the next 3 videos to help you work on developing these skills.